Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a PlayStation 4 controller that is flashing white like this. And this simply means it's trying to connect to a Bluetooth device and it's not currently connected to anything. So there's a couple different ways we can fix this. We can connect it to our PlayStation 4. Now the easiest way to connect a controller to the PlayStation is using a USB cable just like this. So plug the USB-N into the PlayStation 4 and then plug the micro USB-N into the PlayStation 4 controller and press the PlayStation button and you'll see it's flashing white and then it will connect to the PlayStation. Then pick an account and then log in. Then you can simply unplug the cable and it should stay connected. Now if you don't have a USB cable, you can connect your controller wirelessly to your PlayStation 4, and the easiest way to do that is to go to settings, then go on down to devices, and then go to Bluetooth devices on the top. And if you don't have a second controller to navigate the menus, most TVs do have an HDMI CEC option that allows you to take control of the TV using your remote. So I'm just going up and down. I can go through the menus. Then what you want to do is go to your controller, and I'm going to disconnect mine real quick. And I'm going to forget it from my PlayStation 4. So I have to re-register it. Now go to your controller and press down the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. And this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So the light is going to flash like this. And it should show up under this list on the bottom or somewhere. And it may take 30 seconds to a minute for it to show up. So here's my DualShock 4 controller. Let's use my second controller or remote and go to DualShock 4. And then it says, do you want to register this device? Let's go to yes. Pick an account, and then your controller should be registered again, and it's orange indicating the second account. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.